Imphal city manungda Pauna Bazar da Thangal Bazar da drain si fazana semla mani manungda nong si yam kan churapada flood si thokra khoi pai leitabai honorable chief minister sing MLA sing yauna kadai no logging chana ahing chupa khoi thiba kanda all the major nala sing si manungda loin block toram kre block tora yum sabi kre ising si nala da chen mangam darnibna adum sorok ta sele then yum da changne. Honorable Chief Minister, Mingoina Panjabada, Sri Biren Singh, Honorable Ministers, Honorable MP, Rajya Sabha, Honorable Chairman, Hilera Committee, Honorable MLAs, Chief Secretary, Security Advisor, DGP and all the senior officers, beneficiaries, media friends, ladies and gentlemen. Aigi chumatamkra PBBM. Harawe, akwai Manipur state se akwai na halam the problem one after another to mina face story 2020-21 se COVID adu di prithvi ge were India suyamna advanced country wena COVID se koi fight torga koi Manipur se yauna koi sumaina honaki adu gi matungda 2023 akoina thohaningba Manipur thodogmak thue and this year April the hailstorm na yumkia sokhiba May 28 flood lakhiba again July 2nd amuka thokhiba sina khoige lives ayamba effect tawki adubu sarkar na Hudakta Tobia Miam Honorable Chief Minister Naluchingba Makada Miam Nasumina Honor Tuna Ngasisu flood effect of Hiva Imung Kragi, Imung Miam Gihitare, Tang Bankra Pibagi beneficiary Yaunangasi Pangtoliba program Sida Prozamiam Day Rigma Hanghaning Bamasina Kanagumana Hai Sarkar Sika Isuto Bide Sugumba flood May 28 to again July 2nd within a month 2 times Toki Basida Sarkana Kari Tauki Hanakiam Pin the Miam Supondoi Nong Lang Paste when nothing but even Nate but possessing the Nangasi Hanganing Bamasina Handa May 28 the Tokiba flood situation Lakibasi. It could have been worse than what had happened. Maramdi 28 May da nong chukiba changse 158 mm yauna aduka adugi numdang waida adugi hena nearly 200 yaukibani asigi changda lakhibase akoi 1989 da thokiba flood adu asigi changda lakte Halaman Singh na Haibasi 1960s Aduida Sigumba Marak Laki Hai Imphal Punamak Tumbiaba Esing Laki Bini Adobo 2017 da BJP led government coalition government Haik Lakwa Matungda Honorable Chief Minister na personal initiative Laure Hairaka Turen Kai Biaba risk area Miyam si engineer Singh da identify to Harga DPR Semaga Sida Hana environment Semba Hana Kaibiam Pamda Sem Hibaduki quality si Yauda Banina Haita Amukatuba Kaiba Topagi Hauzikti Pazana Siemasi Bopai Biona Siemasi and the project Achauba Semaga Delhi da Honorable Chief Minister Masamakna Prime Minister Home Minister the request Oraga Akoina Pamza Dumuk Pangdrabsu 460 crores sanction to Biduna 2018 di Hauna Ngasi Fauba Akoi Tobia Lena Tokibagi Ayambasi Kai Biam Pamsi Kai the Bini Adubu 28 May the Tokibasi most of the area the flood Tokibasi overflowed opening Turen Kai Banate Esing nong chu ba chang se hana su gumba chang se kya lakhi da badugi chang helaga lakhi bage si flood si thoki bani May 22nd da lakhi bisisu Kangpopi Senapati sida adu cycle sida lakhi bisi morning 5 a.m. da 96 mm la yaw khrabani at the same time Imphal da su 30 plus loina yawre same time da Imphal punamak aduga hill punamak se heavy rain lakhi bage akhoi Esing May 22nd si pura receipt phajan tawdringe da amuk lakse lakpakanda overflow muk tawkhi duna flood si thoki bani akhoi na tawbiya bade khra tawkhi bage khra disep tawkhi bani Lamphel area si ihan hana flood thokpa area ni nong si whole day bu tok tuna half day bu yam kana nong chu khra di in Lamphel area da dum flood oi bani adubo Honorable Chief Minister ke pet project oina hana Honorable Chief Minister na mamang eda IFCD pairing eda sumana hona rakpagi continuation oina handak Honorable Chief Minister na mahagna Chief Minister hei warakpadege sida achauba water body semaga multi-purpose ye tourism ki oisu flood control ki su drinking water ki su hai na 443 acres ki dredging tauraga 9 meters deep oiba 40 feet ki changda sigi project si purakpage hauze 100 acres say 6 meters forward taukrabane aduna handak nong churam nong laklingai mamangda dredging tauba kanda 20 feet muk yaukrabani na 15 feet gumdi dry oirabane asi fill up taukhibage Lamphel area si flood si yam chama thokhi bi absi thokhi dabani habsi praja sing na bahap ta na bai hai bani kana gumana hai out of ignorance or I don't know what is their intention but the handak Lamphel da dredging tawbagi Lamphel ising thumbani hai asi the storage capacity si leiram da the hojik ti 100 acres 20 feet deep oina tawkhi bi adu the ising si store tawkhi bi da akhoi flood thokpi absa avoid tawkhi bani number 2 renda release tawbagi akhoi gi diversion point amalai samusang da khoi na diversion tawba kanda number 2 ren gi level si samusang gi bridge yaure adu diversion si amuk tawbi yadre aduna tulu tawraga akhoi kanna honaga chingthoga tawkhi bani aduna natural calamity tamadi ngamde but whenever it happens akhoi su prompt response pidna all officers akhoi ge district officers armies police muruwaina lekai ge club sing local MLA local minister luchinga whole day hot night sumaina fight todna handak damage jang se asidagi 100 times henbi absi avoid tawkhibani isobusu tagali adubu prajam yamna so si bhab tabina na bai panjabani akhoi manipur si chinga tamga se effect se amada thop ka nama so adum tai akhoi chingda leiba sing so akhoi bhab ta na ngai si hauji tho iba toina nong gi chang se akhoi khangdre hailstorm la ba khana tai everywhere flood landslide sing the landslide loin up lambi se landslide na lambi se thingye but khutak ta akhoi tawbiya ba tawro hekta hangdok khibagi kya akhoi na wa ba feel to khidabani asi se karegi thokpra harga akhoi deforestation se chahi khuding ge se akhoi na khangdaba singdi kaisu pakhaloi khangba singdi am pakhat krabani Maram the housing deforestation tawriba changdo 400 plus square kilometer annually tawriba chang chaladi the whole hill say ball head oikarne within 15 years aduna akhoi survival say unless we are friendly to the nature say akhoi bu against tora batare. If you are cruel to the nature, nature will be cruel to us. If you fight with nature, nature will fight back. Housing Namdolong Panton Sierra Atopum from the Esing Kia Tumde Sida Tumbasi Krigano Harga. One reason is a bit low line way. Another reason say natural stream say Nalamsa when on topic. Turin Mayai Mak Yaugdora Yum Sabse from both sides. So when natural stream say blocked over in Esing do the naturally Lakadoba, non tap kanda Lakadoba Lakasida, Turin si Chandabana Mopanda Patopani. Aduna Handati, Akoy Honorable Chief Minister Nasu, Hanjan Haibani, Asi Miam Hingmanasi, develop city Waisi, develop state Waisi, Akoy natural calamity, Muru in a Nong say, Manipur Yamna, high rate Oiberina, Akoy Tambangamde. Aduna Turin Singsi Akoy Yam Nakna Lebigano, Turimapanda Yum Sabigano, Turimapanda any structure Tambigano, Hibasekoi order Matang told of so public cooperation Mamang the Dikia Piramdre. Handakte Amuka Hana Pil Taupuni, Omengi Department Tribe Takisu, Handakte Akoi Inviction Taupakanda. Illegal encroach Hibatare according to Flood Zone Act. Ako'y pakapakanda miyam na cooperation pinabaso ay miyam da appeal to sabani. Aduna trebedi future ki prospects lekte. Honorable Chief Minister ki instruction makada housing Manipur da ako'y master plan kan na siyami flood control ki damakta for both hills and valley. Master plan siya ako'y kumsi manong da plan si loin sa laga. Ako'y Government of India da funding ki damakta request ore harga ako'y permanent solution at least avoidable level poverty whenever any natural calamity occurs. Ako'y muruwena nong lapakanda ako'y avoid to buyana ba. Asikana honari master plan siya ako'y Brahmaputra board ki mateng lorga. Hosikana siyami the entire city ki damagta muruwena ako'y ki major rivers, 7 major rivers Imphal manung da labor and then smaller streams yauna. Aduga nala drain miyam si yauna koi master plan tori. Aduga ngasi amukasu ay matamdi am sangkra dubu sige platform ki dong jaba laur ga haining ba masina. Akoy imunong da pauna bazar da thangal bazar da drain si fazana semla mani munong da nong si yam kan churapada flood si thokra koi pai leita bi Honorable Chief Minister Singh MLA Singh yauna kadai no logging chana ahing chupa koi thiba kanda. All the major nala singsi munung da loin block toram kre block tora yum sajam sabi kre aduna isingsi nala da chen mangam darnivna adum sorok ta sele then yum da changne adu hojikti nala miyam sa khoi thugai rani thongs natraga waterlogging labor mafam khuding sa khoi identify tore. We are going to break all this waterloggings. Public members cooperation pinaba amuka hana ai appeal to zabani akhoi mi oibasi peace pamdaba mi leite. I don't want anybody to hurt me, but we don't mind hurting others. That is the evil part of human nature. Akhoi si feeling si as much as I don't want anyone to hurt me, unless you have the feeling that I should not also hurt others, there will not be any peace. On the other hand, as long as you are greedy, you will not have friends. You will only have enemies. So we have to be in one level. Ako'y Manipur da haning da mayam thoton leire. Kuki ga naga taunarame thousands me precious life mange. Maitei pangal kuki paite anak na muka ako'y maitega kuki haibdare. Reality say the root cause say kadai do no hana thi da bida kana gumana politicalized total level say it is very unfortunate. We have to live together because as much as you want peace, I also want peace. Instead of politicalizing, instead of politicking, let us find the root cause together and diagnose the real disease and try to treat. Nang di haite na blame piri basing se they are not really in love for peace. Asi haibada haijelo in khalli. Howsay Congress ki luchingba one after another Manipur dalaga peace ki wari to. Nungai tadno leba a grief mother, a grief child bu hok khut sona raga photo namaga media the flash toba. That is not going to bring peace. Where it has really gone wrong, I have said, koi timina dridi. Nasi fobo aina taho dobra khangde. The Congress leaders who have visited Manipur, they have not mentioned anything on the core issue, why it happens and how it has to be treated. They only blame the leaders. They only blame the Prime Minister. But they don't bring any suggestion. If they dare to bring suggestions, tell us first what they have done in the past. What have they done in 1993? Has any Prime Minister visited at the time? This time only few hundreds died, but those days thousands died. Have they expressed their grievances? Have they expressed their regret? If they want to talk about peace, tell us first what they have done in the past. Parliament su hayo, akhoi si toramri no khoi di tode hayo na. 93 the sikhiba chang sa sidike helena. The economy that has pushed back was much more than what happened today. But what have they done? Those days were their days, both in center and the state. If they want to teach, they have to show what they have done first. And then teach us. This is the way you have to do it. Just politicking to boy na. Nungaitana leba imabu pamaga photo na masi ay di ure no di utri ko hen. We are here, we are doing whatever we want. We have to. From day one. Tum da ba cha da ba khang da, tum ba cha ba khang da koi hone do na. 1993, you know, compared to Rabadi, after a few months, it has gone down so drastically. I don't expect that this will come because whenever any ethnic clash happens, it doesn't cool down very fast. 93, the Chaokhibani, 7 years chale dana. Akhoi chat pasu ngamde, chinaw kuki singsu kire, akhoi su kire, adu matam da. Akhoi ki self SSP na bo kri hona khibalei fabricated house buto relief buto makhoi wahi masu parliament da chi matang da nungai te ko akhoi si to da bi ade hai khibalei bro dum tam da. When they have not done, why are they shouting in the parliament today? Those are the same leader, the inheritance, the legacy of the Congress past leaders. I, for one, I cannot forget, and I cannot forgive also. 1958 da Pothokiba law do Prithvi da adugu law su leira moy. What they call it ASPA, Armed Forces Special Powers Act. Under this act, Northeast ki innocent me kya wo had kibra, not in terms of thousands, in terms of lakhs. As akoi shoy da moy leibra. If they really want to preach peace, if they really want to talk about humanity, Parliament handak lagado Parliament uda, we regret for bringing that law. Hai na hayone. Adugum law do sipai sing na su season na ningra moy. Just because it has become a law, they are forced to do it. They have to kill many innocent men and women under such law. But see, adugum law le bro. Adu kanang na putoy. Adu nga sisi dalaga mi nungsi haibagi sabdo. Are they not the same? As if we are deaf, dumb and blind. If they really want peace, give us a constructive suggestions. Let us work together to bring peace, understanding. The main core issue of what happened in Manipur continuously, time to time, as the illegal immigrants in India. Prithvi la khang manatro. But BJP Congress di khang dabugum torene. They have never mentioned. Rajiv Gandhi's visit 2 or 3 times. He have not mentioned anything about illegal immigrants and the way to stop them. Why do I keep it, bro? Huh? Rahul Gandhi, I mean. I'm sorry. Why do I keep so late? Manipur become a hotspot of drug trafficking. That has become the core issue, followed by poppy plantation. Asidi yade has more high keep it, bro. High keep machinda ma high to keep it, bro. Either they are ignorant about the Manipur situation, or there were the people who are engineering all these issues. As a responsible leader of the country, intending to lead 140 crores of people, they should think for 140 crores of people, not only to strengthen their party only, not only to mislead the ignorant people. And the parliament, if they really mean peace, if they really want peace, if they really love for people, express their regret for what they have not done in the past. Thank you.